Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Mad progress is being made when it comes to models and the new and novel ways of running them. I just covered this Whisper Turbo model from OpenAI which was released few hours ago on the channel, and we installed it locally and we played around with it, and it is quite evident that this is one of the best ASR or automatic speech recognition model to date. Just within few hours, someone has also released this GitHub tool to run this Whisper model in web browser without installing anything else. All you need to do is to have Node installed, you clone their repo and you can run it in your browser. And that is what we are going to do in this video. I would prefer that you go with Chrome browser, but this can be also run in Firefox, the latest version, plus the Microsoft Edge. You can run it in Windows, Linux, Mac, or wherever you have the web enabled browsers installed. Before I take you forward, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, which are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language for extracting data from web pages quickly, easily, and at scale. You can use the Python SDK to run your queries in production using Playwright and use the browser-based debugger for optimizing queries in real time on any web page. AgentQL is a robust alternative to fragile XPath and DOM CSS selectors, as it uses the power of AI to analyze the page structure to find the data you are looking for. Okay, so and if you don't know what Whisper large model is, as I said that I already have just covered it on the channel, it is one of the most performant and fastest Whisper model to date. It is a predecessor of that Whisper large model, but this one is the turbo. It really excels when it comes to automatic speech recognition, and I have tested it with English and Chinese, works like a charm. It is also quite good when it comes to speech translation, and you can use MP3 or WAV files with it. Okay, so enough talk. Let's go and try to get this installed. I am running Ubuntu 22.04 and my GPU card is NVIDIA RTX A6000 courtesy massed compute. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website plus a 50% coupon code in video's description, so do check them out. Okay, so let me clear the screen. Let's git clone the repo of this tool. Let me paste it here, and I will also drop the link to it in video description. So let me paste it. Shouldn't take too long. Let's cd into it, and that is done. Now once you are here, make sure that you have a node installed and you have npm installed. If you don't know how to install them, please search my channel. I already have covered it in great detail. So let me clear the screen, and now let me run npm install, and it is going to install all the required packages from the current repo. This is going to take a few seconds, so let's wait for it to finish. And you can see that all the packages are installed. Now in order to run it, all you need to do is to run this command npm run dev, and it is going to start it on your local host at port 5173. So let's access it there in the browser. And you can see that as soon as you access it on the local host at port 5173, the Whisper web is running, which is primarily XAML powered speech recognition directly into your browser. You can start doing it from URL. You can record your voice directly from your mic, or you could just grab a file in WAV or MP3 format in order to do it. Also, at the backend, it is running with Transformers.js, and I will just give you a quick overview shortly. By the way, I already have done a video on Transformer.js too. So if you're interested in detail, please search the channel. Okay, so it is so quick. I have actually selected this file from my local system, and it downloaded the model and it has started transcribing it. So you see that it is, and so my fellow Americans ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. So that is John F. Kennedy from the former US president, but it's a very timeless quote. And then of course you can export it as a text or export it as a JSON. And by the way, I am running the latest version of Firefox. And as I said, you can also run it in Chrome without any hitch. I haven't checked what this cog button is, so it is just telling us which model to use. So you see there are a lot of models which you can go base or tiny. I'm just going to go with this one which is there. You can use the multilingual one. So maybe I'll just select multilingual and then I'll just go with Chinese. And there are a few tasks which you can do: transcribe and transcribe to English. Let's first do transcribe, close it. Let me go to from files, select this Chinese wave file and then click on transcribe audio. It is loading the model files, transcribing it. Let's wait for it. Look how quick that is, and this is your Chinese version. Amazing, amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. So how about if I say to translate it to, maybe the task is to transcribe to English, close, and then transcribe again. Let's see if it can do the speech translation on the fly. There you go. And not only look at the quality but also look at the speed of it. So also this is a distilled model, this turbo model. And so what they have done is they have distilled it. Distillation means that there is a bigger model and they have created a smaller model or a student model. So in this new distilled turbo model, they have reduced the layers from decoding layers from 24 to 6 or something like that, or 4. So what it has done, it the size has shrunk a lot with a very slight hit on quality degradation, but very minimal. So really good stuff there. And again, for example, if you let me grab another file, maybe we'll go with this female file, and then you can simply run it. It is transcribing, and look at the speed here. How good is that? Amazing, amazing stuff. So as I mentioned earlier, this transformer.js is primarily an equivalent to Hugging Face Transformer Python library, but implemented in JavaScript, and you can use it to run transformers directly in your browser without any need for a server. And that is what we are doing here, as this Whisper model is being run within your browser without any hitch. It also handles natural language processing, computer vision, audio multimodality. Pretty good library. So just search my channel, just type transformer.js here, and you should be able to find it quite easily. I have done multiple videos on it. So I hope that this was useful, and we have come a long way really, that now this amazing model is being run in the browser. So I hope that this was helpful and useful. If you like the content, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network on social media, as it helps a lot. Thanks a lot for your support, and thank you for watching.